I'm in the club, hey, VIP, every on me, hey, watch me down.
We are over the Rhine right now. You know, we come to a black dude. We asked him, when was over the Rhine, right? He said, well, when you see white people at
Gentrifying, when you at over the Rhine.
You see white people there, it's there.
It's there, yeah.
That's where you at.
Right.
So we over the Rhine right now.
Oh, the Hayabusa. That's Suzuki Hayabusa. What is that? It's crazy because Reiko, is this Johannes right here? Reiko looking like Johannes. What's going on here?
Looking like me as expanding my African culture. Yeah?
Hey, I feel it. Same Ferrari guy, yo. He riding with his girl again. I spotted him 3 times this weekend in the Natty, yo. Yeah, huh?
Maybe it is his. Maybe he's not ready.
No, that's his Ferrari.
Yeah,
that's his Ferrari. But why you say walk that way? If you say walk that way, it's like what are we? What? I don't see nothing down that way.
I don't know. All I know.
This way.
All I know is he say don't go that way.
Right.
Don't go that way.
Quick question for you guys. We from Columbus, so like, is this all over the Rhine? Like, is it back there too? Or?
This one back there.
He said they was even like, hey, don't go down that way. Yeah, Reiko, hey man, you the main person in the YouTube channel, man. It's your channel now. Yeah, definitely. Reiko, you gonna be alright. Don't say you like Kendrick more than Drake.
I don't think I like them. I don't think I like Kendrick more than Drake.
Why are you on my channel so much, man?
You put me on the channel.
Yeah.
Bro.
We gonna get to code 51. We gonna get there.
Yeah, cause you know it's crazy, bro. I don't think we ever made a turn, bro. We ever made a turn?
Oh, we gonna find out in a second. I could be wrong. I really could be
I
wrong.
don't think so. What? Like you've been there how many times?
I mean, I've been to Cleveland mad times. I've been to Cleveland probably like throughout my whole life. I've been to Cleveland like, dang man, somebody's smoking that ganja. Yeah, I probably been to Cleveland probably like throughout my whole life, probably like 10 times. I mean, it's Cleveland. Cleveland's Cleveland.
You would think I wouldn't like the city as much as I like Cincinnati.
No, that's not what I said.
Yeah.
Remember he's like, oh, Big Daddy.
Nah.
She like, Big Daddy, you want me to treat him like a white boy? He said, nah, that's not what I said. Yeah, I can see that. She was like, Big Daddy, I don't understand. She said, well, I can see that.
That shit was so funny. He's like, nah. He's like, so you and your Jimmy came all the way down here to purchase one of them?
Where is right here? Where's anywhere?
Where's anywhere?
Yeah, where is downtown Cincinnati? Well, over the Rhine, Cincinnati. Reiko, what's up, man? Talk to me. Talk to me, Reiko.
A little drunk, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, yeah, keep talking.
And I'm looking to see where is this over the Rhine.
Well, she said we were somewhere.
Yeah, they said we were somewhere, bro. I'm trying to
Yo, Reiko, talk to me. We gotta walk. Talk to me, Reiko. We're going somewhere, man. I don't know exactly where we're going, but we're over the Rhine, downtown Cincinnati, close to downtown Cincinnati. And what is this called? Fuck it. You wanna have a drink? Why not? You killing the game, B. You killing the game. I want you to burn out or bang out on your boy. Reiko, man, how you enjoying your night, yo?
fucking drunk. Or lit, whatever.
You lit, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You should be lit. You know what I'm saying? All right, so we was over the Rhine, found a lot of dope spots. Now I think we're gonna go to Cove 51, which is like on the north side, far north. Somebody said it's like near Hamilton, but we're gonna see what's going on. I think they have Afro beats, reggae. Yeah, I think this was where we was at. No, I hope. No, I don't think it is. I don't know, no, because there was no buildings behind. All right, so we came to the Burbs in Cincinnati. There's a spot called Cove 51 we love to go into. Never been to it. Afro, I don't know, reggae, Afro beats. We gonna see. We gonna see.